Hello. In this video, we will show you how to create inventory in the system. By following our simple steps, you will be able to quickly and correctly add an item to the system for further use. First, open the Directories section in the main menu. Then, select the Inventory subsection. This will open the form for creating a new inventory item. Now, click the Create button to start adding a new item. Let's begin by filling in the item details. In the Name field, enter the primary name of the inventory item that will be used for identification in the system. If necessary, you can enter a short name for the item in the Alternative Name field, which will be displayed in the mobile version of the program. If the item's manufacturer is known, select it from the drop-down list. If the required manufacturer is not listed, click Add and fill in the necessary fields to add a new manufacturer. Before starting, make sure to add an inventory set. Otherwise, you won't be able to save the item. Now, specify the unit of measurement for the item and select the packaging type, such as block or box. It is also important to indicate the number of units per package. For example, if one block contains 6 units of the item, enter this value. If needed, enter the SKU or product code, and the barcode if available. Specify the serial number of the item for sorting in reports, such as for purchasing. Also, choose the inventory type to which the item belongs. Product: inventory purchased from a supplier for resale. Production: inventory that is produced using the SmartUp production module. Raw materials: inventory from which products are made using the SmartUp production module. Marketing equipment: inventory used for marketing/advertising purposes and is not for sale. If necessary, fill in additional fields at the bottom of the form to provide extra characteristics of the item. Once all fields are filled in, click the Save button to finalize the inventory creation process. Now you know how to create inventory in the system. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you success in your work.